In front of me is AGM H6 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner and tap on all of your photos you wanna add. If you can't find them here, scroll down and tap on Folders at the bottom left corner. Then look for your photos here by using one of those apps, tapping on Images at the top, or what most people miss, selecting those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sections. Like, downloads. Anyway, tap on your photo and it will be successfully attached. Then hit done at the bottom right corner. If you wanna take a photo and add it, you can snap a picture here, and after you take it, it will be automatically attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!